Monopoly Junior. It says ages 5+, 2 to 4 players, and it is like super bright and colorful. Got a bunch of fun little characters. It also has a similar look to Clue Junior, which my kids are obsessed with. The packaging in the box is like pretty nice. Because you know, sometimes when you buy board games, the box is really flimsy, so it's kind of hard to store away. This is definitely not like that. There we go. Got a little pack of money, some more little cards, and the board. I don't know if you can see that. It's like a decent size and it has super cute pictures on it. It seems like really good quality. Like the printing on it looks super nice and it's a pretty like solid cardboard. Got a little pack of money. Definitely nice, so it's gonna last. Directions. Another little box. And then we got these little cutouts and the little characters and some dice. Okay, that is definitely cute. I know my kids are gonna love this for sure. So 4 pieces, 4 players, some dice, object, zoom around the board, buy property, pick up chance cards, earn money. When one player goes bankrupt, the others count their cash. The player with the most cash wins. So that seems pretty simple. On the back, it even has a little advanced version if your kids get like a little too old or they get bored of the regular version. So yeah, I am super excited about this. I'm really impressed with the quality of everything and how cute everything is. So if you are searching around for a new game for your game night, you should definitely give this one a try.